Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create PayPal.me link to receive payments. Let's begin. First, open your browser, and once you're here, instead of directly going to paypal.com, go to this website instead, paypal.com/my/webapps/mpp/paypal.me. So this is where you can directly grab and create your link. So you won't have to navigate through your application or your account page. So once you're here, click on grab your link. It will just ask you to log in into your account. As you can see, I already have my link. So once you are on this page, basically they just want you to customize your link. Like it should be like paypal.me slash whatever you want, as long as it's not yet in their database. And once you have successfully determined your custom link, go ahead, save it. And once you have successfully created your custom link, you can now copy that link and send it to your clients, family, and friends so you can receive payments. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.